Hello everyone, this is Jerry. So basically I made an audio visualizer with some VC modules including the delayer, attractor, zoomer, collider, rotator, and a two-toner. Except for the delayer that is controlled by the LFO. Almost everything else is controlled by the volume of the audio input. So right now, the audio input is my microphone. First of all, I use the pick and value to control the play speed of the chicken video. So the louder it is, the slower it plays. I also use it to control the attractor here. So the attractor is basically an LFO with several outputs that can control multiple knobs at the same time. So I let the attractor to control the 5 parameters from the collider and the rotator. The louder it is, the slower these knobs will move, and the video will be more static. The zoomer is controlled by the pick and value as well. The louder it is, the more it'll zoom out. For the two-toner here, I use the pick and value to control the yellow color in my video. So the louder it is, the more yellow it has. So in here, I created this if statement to make my video color change between pink and blue. If my audio is loud enough to reach the threshold point, the band button will send a message to let the random function to choose a number between 0 and 1, and then it'll choose a color between blue and pink randomly in the two-toner. I think that's it. Thank you very much.
This part is added later on since I was lazy and did not read through the requirement. My initial goal was to make an audio visualizer similar to what you see in a kaleidoscope. Max has a built-in collider VC module that produces patterns similar to what I wanted, so I made use of it. A kaleidoscope allows you to see rotating patterns, so I added a rotator module which looked great. In terms of the interaction with audio, I initially wanted to make the shape of the pattern change in response to the audio, but I couldn't make it happen. So I changed my mind and decided to focus on the color. The two-toner module came up to my mind, since I used it in my very first assignment, and it turned out to work perfectly. At that point, the changing color was controlled by an LFO, and I felt it was not interactive enough. So I decided to add a condition for it to change its color. I ended up using a if statement and it worked. I'm so proud of it. Thanks for watching.